Hi friends, today let's make pizza. So the ingredients needed are flour, salt, sugar, yeast. Take 500 gram flour and add 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. Combine them. Add some lukewarm water and mix well. One teaspoon olive oil, spread some olive oil and keep it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, knead it well. And make it balls. Then roll it. Make some holes using a fork. Don't make it too thin or too thick. Preheat a non-stick pan to medium heat, no butter or oil required. Place it in a pan for approximately 30 seconds until slightly golden. Turn it over and cook it for an additional 30 seconds. Our base are ready now, so let's assemble them. I have some fried chicken, some bell peppers, onion. Let's make pizza sauce. We'll need some ketchup and oregano and some chili flakes. Mix it well and our instant pizza sauce is ready. You can assemble the pizza how you like. I'm just adding the sauce and some vegetables. I took 3 colors of bell peppers, like green bell peppers, red and yellow, and some onions. Now I'm adding some fried chickens, shredded mozzarella cheese, and sprinkle some crushed chili and some oregano. Repeat the same for others. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Preheat a pan and put this. Cover it until the cheese melts. And our tasty pizza is ready to be served. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Payyanur Kitchen.